Hello everyone, today we'll be working on Person Remover using YOLO V3 and Pix2Pix, and our vlog is also available on medium.com. So I'll show you the implementation how Person Remover with the help of YOLO V3 and Pix2Pix work. We'll start with introduction. What Person Remover is a concept that combines Pix2Pix and YOLO technology to remove people and other objects from the pictures. Background removal is done using Pix2Pix, and Pix2Pix learns a function to transfer from an input image to an output image using a condition generative adversarial network, that is CGAN. The generator and the discriminator are the two components of the network. To generate the output image, the generator first transforms the input image. Let's start working on this. First we'll clone Person Remover Git with the help of this, and we'll get Person Remover here. It has many folders inside it. First is TensorFlow Light Models, Image README, Pix2Pix, sample data in which our input and output will be saved, test, YOLO, etc. Then we'll be talking about the YOLO weights that it will be loading. Click here and the YOLO weights will be downloaded under the folder YOLO. Then data inside it will be having YOLO V3 weight. Then we have to convert the YOLO weights to TensorFlow 2 format. We have this conversion file here. We have to run this file. It is also saved inside YOLO V3, and then we have convert.py file saved inside it. After that, we have to copy our weight zip file to Person Remover Pix2Pix file for the checkpoints. This process is done. After that, one module will be available for us where we have to load our custom image. We can pick an image from this Person Remover, or we can add our own custom image from our computer. And I've given the image command, and it has taken my image command. After that, the result, this is the input, and this input will be saved inside sample data. The sample data I've provided here. It has this image. I'll show you the image. This is the image, a lady standing, an ancient lady standing, and this is the input. Then the output it is again saved inside sample data output, and we can see the output. It looks like this. The woman in the image, the ancient woman in the image, has been removed, and hence prove that Person Remover with the help of YOLO V3 and Pix2Pix is working. What is YOLO V3? It is a meaningful object detection system that can detect specific objects in a video, feeds or images in real. And the YOLO V3 technique, it is extension of YOLO, and YOLO V3 technique divides an image into a block first. Each block cell suggests the location of a certain amount of bounding blocks around items that score well during the predefined classes. Then we'll talk about the advantages of Pix2Pix. The Pix2Pix model has the advantage of being reasonably simple and capable of generating huge high quality images. As we can see here, we have Pix2Pix here. What does Pix2Pix do? It generates images with the help of GAN, and the YOLO in Person Remover model, the YOLO, it detects the object in the image, and here the object is the person. And the technology that is used inside this Person Remover is the YOLO, and the foundation of YOLO V3 is the Darknet 53. The goal of the YOLO V3 network is to predict each object's bounding boxes as well as the frequency of the class to which object belongs. Each object here is reimagined as well as the pixel outside are given. The center pixel of the each defined as follows are removed and replaced with the ones, and the result is sent to the generator of GAN, who should fill it with the surrounding pixels. YOLO V3 is used to identify Pix2Pix trained pictures, and the result of YOLO V3 is used to judge the Pix2Pix training status and assess the image quality generated. And the final result that we generate after using YOLO V3 is used to determine the state of Pix2Pix training and the image quality created by Pix2Pix. YOLO V3 always produces images with the bounding box and a prediction value. The image quantity increases as the prediction value increases. So you can see our median block for more reference. And this is the working of person remover with the help of YOLO V3 and Pix2Pix. You can add your own images through this. Thank you.